Welcome to WordPress Interview Questions and Answers with Positive Zenith. Are there any security considerations specific to high-traffic sites, and what measures can be taken to protect against potential threats and attacks? High-traffic sites may be targeted for attacks. Implement security measures like web application firewalls, DDoS protection, regular security audits, and strong access control. Keep software, themes, and plugins updated to patch vulnerabilities. Are there specific considerations for database management and optimization to support a high-traffic website efficiently? Optimize the database by reducing the number of queries, using index optimization, and configuring a caching layer. Consider using a database server with high performance and scaling options. Can you explain the concept of load balancing and how it can be used to distribute traffic across multiple servers for high-traffic sites? Load balancing involves distributing incoming traffic across multiple servers to prevent overloading. It enhances site availability, redundancy, and performance. This can be achieved using load balancing software or hardware. Can you explain the concept of scalability in the context of websites, and how does it apply to handling high traffic? Scalability refers to a site's ability to handle increased traffic without degradation in performance. It applies to high traffic by allowing the site to grow with demand, accommodating more users and visitors without compromising speed and stability. Can you provide examples of performance optimization techniques such as image compression, lazy loading, and database optimization for high-traffic sites? Performance optimization includes techniques like image compression to reduce file sizes, lazy loading to defer image loading, and database optimization to streamline queries. These techniques improve site speed and reduce resource consumption. Describe the benefits and considerations of using managed hosting services and providers to ensure site performance under heavy traffic loads. Managed hosting offers specialized support, server optimization, and scalability for high-traffic sites. It ensures site performance, security, and ongoing maintenance. Considerations include cost and the provider's reputation. How can content delivery networks, CDNs, play a role in handling high traffic by caching and serving site content efficiently? CDNs cache and distribute site content to edge servers worldwide, reducing server load and delivering content faster to users. They improve site performance, especially for global audiences. How can you ensure the security and protection of a high-traffic WordPress site? And what measures can be taken to prevent DDoS attacks and other threats? Secure a high-traffic site with measures like web application firewalls, DDoS mitigation services, strong access controls, regular security audits, and prompt software updates. Consider partnering with a security provider. How do content delivery networks, CDNs, help in handling high traffic? And what are the steps to integrate a CDN with a WordPress site? CDNs improve performance by caching and delivering content from geographically distributed servers. To integrate a CDN, sign up with a CDN provider, configure settings, update DNS records, and enable the CDN in your WordPress site. What defines a high-traffic WordPress site, and why is it important to optimize for high levels of traffic? A high-traffic site receives a large number of visitors and page views. It's important to optimize for high traffic to maintain site speed, user experience, and server stability, ensuring your site can handle the load without slowing down or crashing. Quick, informative, and ready for more? Subscribe to Positive Zenith. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable insights. Thank you for watching and learning with us. Stay tuned for more in-depth interviews and interview preparation videos.